Hi, my name is Lee. I'm going to basically explain the advantages and how to use Twitter polls. Twitter poll is basically a feedback tool that helps you to create and distribute polls and surveys on Twitter, Facebook, and a friend feed on any other social networking site. So let's get started. Um, Click on Create a Poll. Here you have to add your Twitter name on this light 215. You can choose the type of question that you ask depending on what you're trying to get out of it. Multiple choice, select one answer, multiple choice, select multiple answers. There's other types, but for purposes of my example, I'm going to show you pick this one. My question is going to be, how often do you study in the USF library? And you put your answer choices here, one per line. I'll put always, sometimes, rarely, and never. You also can choose whether or not to add another option, and you can also choose when your poll expires. I'm going to give it to the end of the year, so January 1st will be the expiration date. Then you click on Create a Poll. Here you should see your question. I'm going to show you what happens when you vote. Sometimes. You can see once you vote, it shows you the results. It comes up in a pie graph, and it shows you the total of votes and how much percentage you have of votes, how it's distributed. It shows you who created it, how long ago, and when it expires. Now, one thing that I realized with the Twitter polls is that you can add them to your Facebook to basically kind of get it out to the public, see what how people answer your poll. You can put it on your Twitter site, you can share on a friend feed, and you can also embed it on your blog site or your own website. You click on embed, which is here, and you can copy and paste the HTML code, which is JavaScript, onto your website. Um, One thing, some websites are different, so the process of adding your poll to your website will depend on whether or not you're willing to read HTML codes or not. Some blog sites allow you to just post it as a text, and it will upload the poll onto your blog site. Another thing that you can do with Twitter polls is that you can comment on someone else's poll. You leave your Twitter name, and you can leave a comment and select add a comment. I definitely would recommend using Twitter poll. It's really simple. It's an easy way of getting your questions answered and getting it out to the public, especially since you can add it to Facebook. Um, so if there's any other thing that you need, you probably could Google about Twitter poll, and that's all I have to say.